Hi everyone, and welcome to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. In this video, I want to look at the Revolve function. Let me start a new sketch quickly here, and I'm going to grab the line tool, and I'm just going to draw something very random. So maybe I'll do that, and then this, and then maybe let's go out, and then down, and then maybe something like that. Doesn't have to be like that. It can be anything random. Let's click Finish Sketch. And now I want to show you this under Create. There's this Revolve function or tool. Revolves a sketch profile around a selected axis. So as you can see, we're going to select a profile. So this is a sketch profile. Let me click Revolve here, and now I'm selected my sketch profile. And then the next part, so here is the profile. I can deselect it from here, by the way, from this Revolve menu, but I can click on the profile, select my sketch profile. Next, I can select the axis in which I want to revolve around. So let's choose this X axis, for example. And as you can see here, I have a half of or 90-degree revolve. I can increase this angle. So let's say I can do 360, and that will do like a full circle. And you can see here the shape. So if I show you here, this is what we ended up with. I'm going to undo this one more time just because I want to show you again. I want to look at the other properties that comes with this tool so I can show you those. Let's click Revolve one more time. Now I'm going to select the axis, and here, before I click OK, I want to show you the other properties here. So we talked about the angle. Let's do 180 for the angle for now. Here we have project axis, we have extend type, we have the angle that we just talked about. We have the direction. So do we want to do one side, two side, or we can do a symmetric. Symmetric is like going to mirror the end result. So that's just going to mirror my final body. Let me go back to one side here. Then the operation, do I want to do join, cut, intersect a new body or a new component? I'm going to leave it as a new body here, but this is the properties, or these are some of the configuration that I can change with the Revolve tool. I'm going to click OK. As you can see, this is what we ended up with. Let me exit out of that and then just orbit around this quickly just to show you what we have accomplished with this tool. It's very cool and very useful, I think. So just wanted to show you that. Here it's under the create. We already talked about extrude a lot. So that was revolve. In the next video, I will talk about the sweep function. Thank you for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one.